2020 began with our president going through an impeachment trial.
Donald John Trump be, and he is hereby, acquitted of the charges in said articles.
And that news seemed to pale in comparison to the country starting to shut down in March, sending us all on a cycle of emotions, says our psychology expert, Dr. Max Wachtel.
It starts out with fear, like you get that stay-at-home order and you're terrified. You don't know what that means. You don't know if you're going to get sick. You don't know if you're going to run out of toilet paper. That then turns into anxiety. Anger can come from that. The depression can start to set in, and then as it goes on and on and on, you can start to feel despair and hopelessness. And then we have periods of hope and excitement.
For so many of us, the toughest part was at the beginning, when isolation really took hold.
We're social creatures. We were evolved that way. We need social interaction.
Especially for older adults who are most at risk of COVID-19.
For older individuals, it can cause some temporary cognitive problems, so you aren't thinking as clear.
Dr. Mack says despite increased cases of depression, most people figured out how to do isolation well.
The ones who got online with their friends, or who get outside every day, even just seeing people walking around in the park, even if you're staying 6, 10, 12 feet away from them, that helps a lot.
These are lessons he hopes we can take with us.
All of the basics are really important. You got to get enough sleep. You got to eat well. You have to get exercise.
We began the year with politics and finished it with the presidential election with the most votes ever turned in. And health decisions throughout that have divided the country. Dr. Wachtel says not all hope is lost and divisions are not final.
The best thing to do is to listen to other people's viewpoints. So first of all, turn off cable news. It doesn't matter which station you're watching, it's going to be bad for your mental health. Watch the local news. Get your news from a couple of solid news sources that, one may lean left, one may lean right. That's perfect. Then you're getting different voices.
And he says what we can realize is that we all faced a tough year. We all had to deal with so many similar experiences.
So if people are reaching out to you, that's great. It's going to make you feel. If you're reaching out to them, it's going to make you feel better too, and it's also going to help that other person.
So don't forget about your neighbor, your friends, co-workers. We all may still have tough times ahead, but we can handle them together.
Humans are strong. We have evolved over the years to be extremely resilient. We can persevere. We can deal with a lot.